And good morning, everyone. Magandang umaga po. Alright, so microphone's doing well. Alright, so magandang umaga. PSEi looking very good. 51% more. 51 points more, and we will be breaking out. Actually, pag 50 points more, magbe-breakout na tayo ng 8K. It's a very strong resistance yung 8K na yan, and we want to break out from that, and market should be looking well. Hopefully from that. And so far, so good. Market has been rebounding from the support after ang ganda ng mga third quarter earnings ng mga tao, ng mga companies, and people are there bargain hunting. It's just that volume is still very low. Volume still not yet picking up for PSE. So it's quite challenging pa rin para umakyat. But nonetheless, market should be recovering. If not this year, most probably next year, when everything's looking well, kasi mayroon pa rin scarce sa international market. That's why investors are still scared into getting in the market. But once the scarce stabilizes and yung mga issue mag-stabilize na, market should be recovering by then. So yan, yesterday, ang dami. ISM, yung recommendation natin, umakyat naman sa ISM. So congratulations sa mga pumasok kay ISM noon. Sun flew high yesterday. And some of our picks are starting to pick up already, which is very good. We have a few picks for today, and mag-discuss po tayo. Right? I'm gonna go to your comments, and let's see what you have in mind para sagutin po natin. I'm gonna go to the comments really quick. One moment, please. Before we go to that, a little request from my end. Please share. Paki-share po ang video. Please share this to your Facebook groups and to your trading groups and to your Facebook walls para naman ang mga newbies malaman na nila there's a program like this that can help them in their stock market journey. Down at the video description, meron po dyan na mga links on my previous videos I think are very important for you to start your trading. So if you're a newbie, please go to the video description, go to the drop down. Ang daming videos dyan for you to start, even the basics of stock markets if hindi po kayo makarelate today, okay? Look at the videos and the technical analysis videos I have. I made it available in the video descriptions for you sa mga bagong papasok dito sa videos natin. Ayun. Carlo Turingan, good morning. Chris Canilan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Elmore Cesar, good morning sa lahat. Happy trading. Alright, good morning. Melo 101, good morning po. Morning din. Joy, good from Joe Salak. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Thank you. Thank God it's Friday. Yes, TGIF. It's Friday, so konti ingat lang sa trading, okay? Still, market is not looking healthy volume-wise. So, baka mag-pull back ang market today. We're expecting it to do a pullback anytime soon since malapit na tayo sa resistance. So, konting ingat. Please, doon tayo sa baba. Pumasok, huwag maghahabol sa mga stocks na nakapagdipad na. Okay. Ayun. Little update. Nalabas na po yung bonus natin, okay? You have your bonus already sa mga hindi pa yung first-time funders for October using my link. So, those who are under me who created an eToro account using my link, dapat may $50 na po kayo by today. If wala pa po, please email. Ito, lagay ko sa comments. jeffgu@etoro.com. So, please email this person and also iris@etoro.com. So, these two. Email nyo po yan kung hindi pa po ninyo natatanggap yung bonus. There is a very good promotion also for for November, and it's for everyone. So, lahat po ng may eToro account, it's gonna be up for November. So, abangan po natin. Okay? Ayun, Melo 101, good morning. Thank God it's Friday from Josa. Uy, konti pa lang ng comments sa right. So, concurrent viewers, medyo konti lang tayo ngayon. So, yun, most probably we'll start with my picks right away. So, para mamaya diretso na tayo. So, if you have any request para i-chart natin, you can post it on the comments. If you have any questions, please post it on the comments para madaanan po natin. So, those are my picks for today. This is PSEi, and we are at 7950 already. And kahapon umabot ng 7968, which is a good sign. That's the highest it has been for the past few days. 8,000 is at the horizon. So, napakalapit na. Konti na lang ang kulang. Hopefully, makapag-breakout na tayo. A breakout would mean um, better position, better buying after the third quarter earnings are starting to sprout out already. Ang ganda ng mga third quarter earnings ng mga blue chips natin especially. So, yan. Kaya nakikita nyo sila FB, lumipad. Nagliliparan ng iba. I have watching from Singapore, Joe Salak. Good morning, Joe Salak. Habang nagkakape. Good morning po sa inyo. Alright, so also, last night, I was talking to a real estate developer here in Cebu. So, one of these days, gawa po tayo ng collaboration with them to give to you ideas on more ideas about, deeper ideas about real estate investments because we're going to be covering those kinds of investments also on our Saturday program. So, abangan nyo po yan. Oliver Richard Lucana, Sir Lloyd, good morning. Thoughts on Sun, please? Si Sun kahapon, sobrang laki ng akyat, tapos sila bumalik. All stocks. Alright, so, news. Reply unusual part, change in corporate on contact details. Yan. So, ito yung response nila bakit lumipad bigla si attach reply later kasi ayan. So let's download this so we can see what happened to Sun yesterday. Okay? Reply to letter Capital Markets Integrity Corporation received email 24 usual price movement trading SunTrust Home Developers Incorporated shares the corporation is not aware of information that can be triggered unusual price movement in trading except that Mega World Corporation will subscribe to an increase in capital stock in corporation. So, yan. Yun yung naisip nila na reason bakit lumaki yung price yung presyo nila bigla. Nothing much to be aware of. Yun nga lang si Meg is a very powerful trader. And si Sun, kailan ko ba na-recommend to si Sun? Di ba dito sa support? So hopefully yung mga pumasok noon nakapasok naman. Right? But yeah, this was not expected. Bigla lang lumipad si Sun. Volume is not that much after dapat this was a signal kahit pula ito, laki ng volume even if it was a red. So we should have seen this. So ito yung isa sa mga titignan ninyo sa susunod. Good volume and then the prices are not moving or sideways lang and then there's good volume. I want you to prepare your screenshots. I have this kasi this is an indicator, a cheat sheet of the indicators that you can use also. Alright. Let me go to my research. Price volume relation. Yan. So, please prepare your screenshot. Let me just zoom in on this para mas malaki yung screenshot ninyo. Alright, so, if there's no change in price and the volume is increasing, that's a bullish signal. That's signs of accumulation. Ito yung nangyari kay Sun the day before. So, as more or less hindi nag-change yung presyo but there was a volume spike. That's why we look at the volume also when there are significant spikes. And this is a significant spike on the volume. And there it is. After that, lumipad na. Now, this is a bad sign. I don't want you to get in anymore. Bakit? There's increase in volume. Let's look at the cheat sheet again. There's increase in price. Price is increasing, but the volume is decreasing. That's a bearish signal. Increase in price, but not supported by volume. So, there's increase in price, but not supported by volume yesterday. Right? Mas mataas ang presyo, but lesser ang volume. Meaning, most probably, it's gonna do a pullback today. And let's see if tama ako bukas. Tingnan natin bukas. But I do not want to recommend this, especially for you, newbie. If you're watching my program, most probably you're a newbie. If you're a newbie, and most probably hindi pa kayo marunong mag-momentum trade and mag-day trade, there is still opportunity in this. One indicator is telling us that there's momentum, which is the Bollinger Bands. Itong nasa taas na ito. If you don't know what Bollinger Band is, how to use it, I have a video down at the video description that's titled, may sulat po dyan, Bollinger Bands, and then a link para po makapunta kayo sa Bollinger Band videos ko. Right? So, Bollinger Band is telling us there's momentum in this. It's just that it's very risky. So, only opportunity we have right now is momentum trade. If you know how to momentum trade, just go to the 1-minute chart nito, 1-minute chart, 3-minute charts, or 5-minute charts if you want to, and then look for pullbacks on this climb, like this one right here, and pullbacks right here, and then that's where you get in, and then get sell. So, momentum lang opportunity natin dito. So, nagsa-sideways naman siya sa short-term movements niya. So, hopefully, it will stabilize today and you can find a position to gain in this. Okay? So, SunTrust, momentum trade na lang. I don't want to recommend it for position traders, but good thing that you guys put it out for today para mapag-usapan natin. That was from sino nga ba yun? From Oliver. Right? Si Annie Linzer, AC, thanks. Si AC Ayala Corp. Ayan, si Ayala Corp naman, it's a mix of both signals, bearish and bullish right now. The good thing is, there's good price action, meaning there's accumulation. Kaso nga lang, nagcha-challenge pa sa mga bearish guys. So, it's having a hard time going up. Now, but this is a good opportunity because we have a clear downtrend line right here, diba? Now, an entry point for this is a breakout from that downtrend line. So, pag nag-breakout yan, that's a good position to get in. A breakout will mean that the bearish signals have not sustained or has bottomed out and there's a possible reversal already. I already recommended AC here aggressively. This is a double bottom position. So, yeah, further confirmation will be a breakout. So, mga aggressive ones dito pumasok, tulad nung nirecommend ko dito sa AC because of this double bottom. And it's going up naman. It's just that, medyo nakalipad na siya. You just need one confirmation. Sa mga hindi pa nakapasok, this is the next best entry point. Okay? For AC. Wait for it to do a breakout. Idol, wala ka bang tutorial sa DragonPay BDO enrollment? Hirap naman mag-fund sa eToro. Alright. One reason is kasi international broker siya, so kaya medyo challenging to fund it. But I did post one earlier today. Inap ko yun, di ba? So, there was, I had a post, lagay ko sa video description. Here's a link. I just posted how to fund your eToro account using local online banking. I'll put this in the video description for those who are watching the replay. Right? So, lagay ko sa comments. Click nyo po yung link. Para madiretso kayo doon. Let me see how I can edit my description while doing the live. Here goes. Yeah, so, sa mga gustong makakita ng link na ito, there it is in the video description. If you're watching the replay, nasa video description po. Right? So, for you to be updated. If you click on that link, the one that I just posted, you are going to be brought up to this page. So, this is how to deposit via online banking. And then DragonPay is here. And there's a PDF for your instructions. And there it is. Very helpful. Thank you, eToro team. They have always been very, very keen in making us in the Philippines, making it more convenient for us in the Philippines. So we requested this from them. Sana mayroong tutorial on how to fund this through local online banking, and there it is. Voila, for everyone, right? So thank you, eToro, for this. If you want to join us in the international market, kahapon, market was up and our positions have recovered. So now we're just negative 85 na lang, negative 200 to the past few days, diba? So our positions are recovering, which is good. Yan. Join us in our eToro journey. If ever wala kayo sa stock market pa until today because para sa inyo mahirap, eToro is the answer for this. Para wala na po kayong excuse, you can copy people, right? You can look for people here, right here, and then hanap lang kayo. Medyo, kung gusto nyo mga low risk score, meaning yung low risk na mga players, they are not that aggressive when it comes to trading. Position traders, ito, mga bottom pickers, ito sila. Meron dito 50% ang gains for the last 12 months, and this is real portfolio. Okay, so if you think this guy is good, just click on his name and then just copy it and put money in him, and then magkano gusto mo ilagay, And then, whatever he gains after, onwards, is you're gonna be gaining also. His port is red right now for October. So, this is good. Pwede nyo pong anuhin yan. Kopyahin habang pula siya para mag-recover yan. Mas malayo-layo ang lipad ninyo. Okay? So, try this guy, JK69. Marami po dyan na magagaling na traders. And this is very transparent. Makikita nyo po talaga. Kung pula sila, makikita nyo po pula sila. They're red for October. But that should be okay since overall his performance is well. He's up 32% for this year already. That's amazing. Okay? So, sayang naman po. If you want to create an eToro account, ito lang hiling ko from you. Make sure you use my link andyan po sa video description. Create an eToro account using that link para po makatulong kayo sa channel. This is a very big help for the Financial Freedom 101 channel para po matuloy po natin yung goals natin na to educate as many Filipinos as we can for free as much as possible, right? So, yung expenses natin for the programs, doon na sa binibigay ni eToro sa atin. So, all you need to do is just create an account using my link and then for the fund it, and that should help the program a lot, right? Laking tulong po niyan. So, thank you so much. Let's go to the comments again. Yan. So, very good question from G. Fernandez. Thank you for asking that. At least na-bring up natin and linagay ko na po sa video description. Joe Salak, sir, nakapag-sign up na seminar this coming November and excited to learn more on trading and investment. Very good. Nag-sign up na kayo. Huwag nyo pong sasayangin ito. Right, so on Financial Freedom 101, right, on my page, meron po tayong poster dyan. Pinakaunan nyo po makikita sa pinakataas. This one, this beautiful lady is Miss Raquel Necesito. She is a day trader and last month, she earned 106% in just 1 month. 106% in just 1 month. Day trading gold and oil. Right? She placed 11th on eToro's trading competition for Asia, and that competition uses real money. Okay? And this month, she is already up she's already up more than 30%. So that's very good trading. 30% isang taon yun ang kitaan yan, 'di ba? But she was able to earn it in just 1 month. And she will teach us how she is doing it on November 10 and 11. Andyan po sa taas ang links how to register. Please register po. Right? Please register. We already have 200 registrants. This is for free. At yung sinasabi namin sa inyo, as much as possible, we wanna help Filipinos for free. Kaya ito po, libre lang po yan. But there are, may konting exchange lang. Create an account for sure. And create an account using our link para matuloy po to make the seminar sustainable din naman at the same time. Okay? So just follow the instructions. Join the seminar. By next week, by the start of November, we will be sending out confirmation emails sa lahat ng mga nagre-register. So, please join the seminar. Okay? Joe Salak, this is, by the way, this is a webinar. Okay? So, kahit saan sulok po sa mundo, pwede po kayo manood. Right? And this is recorded. So, if ever ma-miss nyo man po ang November 10 and 11, as long as you registered, makapanood po kayo ng replay. So, register pa rin kayo. Sayang naman. David, Joe, Agustin, Sir Lloyd, magandang umaga po. Good morning din. Apajing Lara. Hey, sir, good morning po. Pasilip ng tags. Alright. Silipin natin si Tags. Tags, ang ganda ng support ni Tags eh. Alright, so Tags is starting to go back to support again. Alright, so palapit na naman tayo sa support. So any bounce soon, I'll be recommending Tags already. Look at the RSI already. It's already going up. This is momentum for Tags. Ang ibig po sabihin nito, wala nang nagbebenta. It's not at oversold levels anymore. Pero wala pang volume. Alright, no volume yet. But once the volume kicks in, once people starts buying Tags, this should go up already since wala na tayong seller. Hopefully, makapasok at hindi mainip yung mga naghahawak kay Tags as of the moment. At walang mambuhos pag may nambuhos dyan. But I don't think may mambubuhos pa. RSI is already telling us wala nang nagbebente. Diba? So, yan lang yung sinasabi ng chart. It's already okay. Any green zone will be recommending, pero test buy natin yan. Right? That's for Tags. Joe Salak, sir, have you heard about MetaTrade and insights on MBT? Yes, I've heard of MetaTrade. Alright, so ganito lang. There are also brokers out there. Actually, may mga brokers din, international brokers na nag-approach sa atin to endorse their product also. But the thing is, if you want to trade on your own, right? Ganito I will tell you. the biggest concern kay eToro is it's not the cheapest when it comes to fees out there. Hindi naman siya pinakamahal, pero hindi rin siya, nasa gitna siya. Hindi siya pinakamura, hindi siya pinakamahal, nasa gitna siya, right? But trading stocks, mas mahal pa po ang fees sa Pilipinas kaysa sa fees kay eToro. So, nonetheless, trading eToro is cheaper than trading in trading in PSE. Okay? So, that point lang, from that point, it's still better than our yung naka-ugalian natin. Ang hirap talaga magtagalog. But anyways, it's much cheaper than PSE. So if you trade in stocks in international market, mas mura po sa eToro, right? It's not the cheapest in all the international brokers. Marami pong mas mura, right? Kaya po may mas mura, it's because ang daming brokers out there, and for them to be able to get more clients, pamurahan na lang ng charges. That's what they're doing to get more clients. Sa eToro kasi this is my personal thought. I will sacrifice a few broker fees for the opportunity to let people copy me and gain extra rin naman. Kasi pag magaling ka na mag-trade, 'di ba? Bakit ka magte-trade if hindi ka marunong mag-trade? 'Di ba? So, magte-trade ka if marunong ka mag-trade. Okay? There's virtual port for you to practice, but if marunong ka mag-trade, saka ka naman magte-trade. Now, if I'm trading and I'm letting people copy trade me, I'm gonna be earning more for letting people copy me. So, yung charges na yan, yung sinasabi nila mas mura sa kanila, that will be mitigated by the earnings that you will get from letting people copy you. So, from that alone, bawi na. That's why I am more into eToro. Number 2 is, aside from earning from my trading, if magaling ako mag-trade, pwede pa akong magpa-copy ng trade. And if magpapa-copy trade ako, I can earn so much more. It's something extra, diba? And also, what makes eToro different from other brokers is copy trading. Hands down, copy trading. Kasi not all Filipinos. I know most of you are here because you want to learn how to trade, but alam nyo po gano'ng kahirap. Right? Mahirap po mag-trade. The emotions involved. So, and then yung oras, kung wala kayong oras, diba? Huwag nyo pipilitin mag-trade. Try copy trading and look for a good trader na lamang na mag-manage ng funds ninyo instead. Na mag-manage ng trades ninyo instead. Diba? So, that's the best selling part kay eToro. Kaya eToro, even if they're not the cheapest when it comes to broker fees, they're the biggest broker in the world because of that copy trade function that they have developed. So, I will say, yes, hindi ko na po in-entertain yung ibang brokers because I strongly recommend this for everyone, right? Especially sa mga Pinoy na hindi karamihan sa atin is hindi educated when it comes to trading pa talaga, right? So, copy trading is a big option. Then, once we educate ourselves and we know how to trade, you can trade on your own and earn extra. So, that's my point in why I support eToro that much. MetaTrade is also good. If you want to, kung gusto nyo pong makatipid sa trading ninyo, you can check it out also. Marami pong brokers out there na maganda rin naman. Raymond Arano, good morning po. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Fen, AC, AGI, MBT po. Or si AGI, ABG yung nasa picks ko. Si Fen, Paul, wala na si Fen. AC, EPH, yan. ACEPH. Right, so Fen, nagre-resistance pa. Breakout from this resistance will be okay. Pero ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, huwag nyo muna pasukin. Kasi hindi pa maka-breakout. So, yan. si AC naman, wait for the breakout. That's our next entry point for AC. But overall, AC is very cheap. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-mid to long term kay AC, budagihin nyo po yan. Hindi kasi natin alam. Kung bumaba man yan, then you just buy more para walang sakit sa ulo sa inyo for AC. Okay? That's what I can recommend for AC. I've been recommending AC na ibodega pa yan doon pa sa support. AGI. So AGI, hindi pa tayo binibigyan ng pullback. Congratulations sa mga pumasok when we recommended AGI. Wala tayong pullback and then we are at resistance, so it's not a buy level for us. So wag po nyo po muna bilhin para hindi umakyat and then bumaba naman. Pag bumaba, once it does a pullback and then bounces, then that's where we enter AGI. But right now, ayoko muna i-recommend since high risk pa siya and it's really near resistance already. MBT, ayan. So, good. Ito na yung pullback na inintay natin kay MBT. Sana bigyan tayo ng magandang pullback ni MBT. Okay? But right now, it's not yet a buy. There's no buy signal sets for MBT. Congratulations sa mga pumasok sa support kay MBT when we are recommending it. Advice mo, sir, kung sino magandang piliin na i-copy trader sa eToro. Right, I wanna recommend this, guys. Right? Ganito yan. If you wanna as much as possible, you diversify when it comes to copy trading. Okay? Diversify meaning hindi lang po isang tao, as much as possible tatlo. Na number one, dapat meron kayong base, right? Majority of your funds should go to a very stable trader, which is where I recommend where I will recommending si Olivier Danvel. Alright, so Olivier Danvel, he is, tingnan natin stats niya, bakit ko recommend. Look at that, walang pula. And the years before, 2019, 2018, nada, wala pong pula dyan. All green for this guy. Kaso nga lang, very low risk, kaso nga lang, very low returns din. But nonetheless, 7% annual returns, October na ngayon. So most probably, he can still hit around 9 to 10% in 2019. That's still good. Even if the market is in turmoil right now, 2019, napakapangit ng market, he is still up 7.74%. Maganda pa rin yan. Diba? So, you have to have a stable base on your copy trading. Now you already have a stable base on some parts of your port. You can now explore other traders. So, let's go to copy people. I want you to scroll down, right? So, since meron ka ng magandang base, which is very basic, low risk, pwede ka nang magkopya and expand to higher risk people, right? So, you can go scroll down and look for this medium risk score. Pwede nyo pong diretso dito. Zimentlelel Trehel. Alright, ang hirap ng pangalan. But if you click on this guy, ito yung returns niya for this year he's already up 22%. Alright? 22% already for this year. There are months na pulahan, pero lalaki naman ng up niya. So, medyo high risk siya. So, this will balance out your stable guy plus this guy. So, he's already up 22%. So, you should be up already. If nag-start kayo last 2019, you should be up already 22% here and then 7% kay Olivier Danvel. And then, the third person you wanna copy is go for another lower risk score pero malaki-laki ang return. So, you just look for these guys. Hanap lang kayo dito. For example, JK69 or this guy. As much as possible, yung medyo matagal-tagal na. Look for green look for red ones kasi yung red ones meaning magagaling na ito. Red ako, green dapat, right? So green dapat like Dr. Vasca. So this guy is already up 38%. So yan po, he's up 8%, 40% siya last last 2018. So, low risk guy also. But it's up to you. If you wanna go risky, dalawang medium risk score people ang tingnan po ninyo. So, hanap po kayo dito. Okay? So, yan po. Ayan, may spammer na naman tayo. I'll put this guy on timeout. Alright, so that's how you look for that's the best way to diversify in your copy trading portfolio. Alright, so Olivier Danvel, if you wanna know, kahit po maliit po ang niyan, kitaan yan, actually 7% annual returns, very safe returns, is already very good for your funds, right? If you have $1 million, this is already 70,000, right? 5 million plus, hindi pinapakita dito, but he has $5 million plus assets under management. So $5 million. How much is that in peso? That's the amount he is handling right now. Okay, so galing. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ask ko lang po recommendation nyo kay MPI at DMC at oil po. Right, so hindi ako updated kay oil eh. But DMC, let's go for the stocks question first. Recommendation nyo kay MPI. Si MPI for long term, definitely. That's my recommendation. Right now, if you wanna trade it for short term, use this support area to buy MPI. Yan po yung pinaka-support niya ngayon. So that's where we buy MPI. Next is DMC. Si Oil po joined the seminar on November 10 and 11. Ang kagandahan kasi kay oil, it doesn't matter if it's going up or if it's gonna go up or if it's gonna go down. You can find bearish and bullish signals. Ang kagandahan sa eToro is you can short sell. If bearish signal po ang nakikita ninyo and you think it's gonna go down, pwede nyo naman po i-short sell para kumita pa rin kayo sa pagpagsak. So it doesn't really matter. Okay? Let's join the seminar this November 10 and 11. We will see how what RB is looking for in sa mga news and how she is waiting for those signals. Alright, so DMCI, did not recommend DMCI the past few days since andyan na po ang resistance. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, pag resistance, malaki ang chance na bumaba yan. And bumaba nga. DMCI, I recommended DMCI here, even recommended it here, ibodegan nyo, diba? And umakyat siya back to the resistance. Right now, we don't have a buy signal, pero kung nag-green ito, sharply enter right away. Mas maganda if bumalik sa support, but I don't think it is gonna be going back to support since divergence na ito, meaning packet na siya. Any green soon would be a good entry point for DMC. Right? Nag-touch sa upper Bollinger Bands, that's momentum. Any buy soon, that's any bounce soon, that's an MA20 bounce, so that's already an entry. Okay. Ketamine. So, pwede request video topic mo tomorrow is all passive income sa Pinas. Oh, very good. Very good recommendations, Ketamine. Sige. Every Saturdays, you know me, every Saturdays, as much as possible, if I'm free, I will make a video about getting rich. Tomorrow, may request tayo. Video topic tomorrow is all the passive income na available sa Pinas. I'll do my research for today on additional materials. I already have some about passive income. Let's make a passive income video for tomorrow. Siguro, give me around 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. siguro. I'll update you about it today kung anong oras tayo magsisimula sa video tomorrow. Very good. Right, so let's talk about passive income tomorrow. More power, sir. Thank you so much. Abangan niyo po yan. JR, once mag-copy ng trader, yung buying sa portfolio ba nila yung mga copy? Very good question. When you copy someone, for example, I copy Olivier Danville, meron po ditong option. After I click on copy right here, meron po option to put how much you want to put. Let's say you want to put $500, right? Ito po importante to answer your question. There's a tick box here that says copy open trades. If you click on copy open trades, yung anong meron siya support niya ngayon, kukopyahin mo kaagad at the current price. Baka mura niya nabili or mahal niya nabili. We don't know. But if you open and copy open trades, kung anong current position, for example, meron siyang hawak na, pasensya na yung ilong ko, hindi pa naman gumagaling, kaya ganito ang boses ko. Kung meron siyang hawak na, for example, Microsoft, right? So, presyo ni Microsoft ngayon, pag open mo and you copy open trades, anong presyo ni Microsoft ngayon, yun ang makukuha mo. Hindi the same with his price when he bought it. So, anong current market price ng Microsoft? That's when you enter. Now, you can unclick this box. So, if you unclick on copy open trades, meaning yung future trades niya lang ang makakopya mo. If he has Microsoft right now, hindi niyo makakopya. If he opens a trade tomorrow, for example, let's say he opens Amazon, then you are gonna be copying the future trades instead. So, that's to answer your question po. This is from sino yan? This is from JR, right? Joe Salak, noted sir, salamat kaayo, you're welcome. Hi sir, any advice po sa mga nag-buy ng IPO price ng Axelum at naipit? Any advice? Future advice, ang masasabi ko, watch my videos when there's IPO, we talk about it. I always do not buy IPOs, right? But since andyan na kayo, recommendation ko po, hirap eh. Wala pa tayong clear fundamentals na companies kasi eh. Axelum. Hirap ng ilong ko. Pasensya na. Axelum. Alright, so it's dipping down still. So pababa pa rin ang pababa ang spaghetti. 425 right now. Axelum overall is a good company, right? It's a good company, so it should recover anytime soon. So, I want you to, ilagay ko rin ang video na ito sa link, right? So, I want you to average down as much as possible, right? But I don't recommend adding funds anymore, right? Because these are not for long-term stocks yet, nonetheless. So, I don't want you to go long-term and spend your money there. I want you to put your money in good companies instead. So, go to youtube.com and then look for this video, average down Lloyd Bazar, right? So average down Lloyd Bazar. This video should come up, how to average down without adding money in stocks. So click on this, and then I have instructions. I have instructions here on how to average down without adding money. So I want you to follow this. Also, for those na nanonood ng replay, if you don't know this video yet, please go down to the video description and then look, andyan po, lalagay ko po ang link. Average down without adding funds. So, ayan po. Linagay ko po sa video description, and it's in the comments para malaman niyo po paano mag average down without adding funds. This will be very helpful for you. Para sa request kanina, yan. That was from Joe F. Alfonso. This video will help you a lot. ISM po. Si ISM medyo nakalipad na po. I recommended ISM yesterday. Actually, I've been recommending ISM for you to buy it on the supports, and umakit na si ISM. It broke MA20. So this is a good start for ISM. This is backed up by volume. So I guess ISM should be doing an uptrend soon. Right, so ang uptrend ni ISM, you know that we buy on the dips. So let's wait for the pullback and bounce before you wanna get in. Mark Benson Ong, okay? Dapat dito, and yesterday we recommended it. So dapat tong opening na lang tayo pumasok. But anyways, antay na lang sa susunod na pullback and bounce. Sir, do you recommend eToro's copy portfolio? Yes, definitely. Meron kasi iba sa atin who prefer portfolios, right? Especially if you wanna speculate. For example, you think 5G is gonna go up. I think 5G is gonna be very good. So we can speculate on 5G portfolio nila, 5G revolution. Kaganda, downside, I can say downside lang nito is you have to start with $2,000 para makaka-invest ka sa portfolio niya. But if you can afford that 5G revolution, I think it's gonna be doing well. Kung nung wala pa nga ang 5G, this portfolio is already up 12%. That's already very good, diba? What if may 5G pa? I think it's gonna rocket up after 5G, and we'll see how 5G affects the world. I think it's gonna have a very good effect on the world. So I think yes, this is very good. Now, also one of the best portfolio I recommend here is food and drink portfolio. This stock I strongly recommend. This one I strongly recommend habang mababa pa ito ngayon. Medyo down siya ngayon kasi it was very strong this year. -2 for this month, -1%, but overall 23.03%. Kahit po magka-trade wars dyan, hindi titigil ang mga tao sa pagkain. Pag inom ng Starbucks, walang titigil sa mga Pinoy pag uminom ng Starbucks and everything. Andyan po si Starbucks, andyan po si Coke, andyan po si Pepsi, andyan po si McDo, GIS, which is mga ba yun? General Mills. These are very good companies, so you can also check this out. Okay? Kung gusto nyo po, market-adjusted portfolio, medyo kamahalan ito, but invest like Warren Buffett. So, you can search for Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway. So, this is a premium portfolio. This is managed by Mr. Warren Buffett and his team. This is already up 3.59 this October for September. It's already up 20% for this year. Warren Buffett po ito. Kung anong ginagawa ni Warren Buffett sa port niya, pwede rin kayo pumasok. Now, downside, $5,000 po. Since this is premium, this is by Warren Buffett. So, medyo may kamahalan ito. But, man, you are gonna be in good hands under Mr. Warren Buffett. If meron po kayo extra funds dyan, lagay niyo po sa kanya. Okay? Siya na pong bahala mag-handle ng funds ninyo. Right? So, this is a very good fund I can recommend also since this is under Warren Buffett. So, all the best fundamentalists and researchers is gonna be under your side. So, this is one of the best I can recommend for you guys. Medyo may kamahalan as a downside. We're working for this to be lower. I requested for eToro. I talked to eToro's heads about this. I told him, I asked for the statistics, ilang Pinoy ba ang naka-invest kay Warren Buffett ngayon sa fund nila, and then their answer was, wala pa, none. Why? Because mahal. 250,000 pesos is very expensive for us, especially sa mga small-time na investors. But on the good side, if you think like the foreigners, yung mga investors kay Warren Buffett, hindi kayo papansinin ni Warren Buffett kung wala kayong kung hindi kayo makapag-provide ng $1 million for the first year, and it has to go up the next corresponding years para i-maintain ni Mr. Warren Buffett ang funds ninyo para i-manage niya. Right? Another option to invest in Mr. Warren Buffett is to buy their stocks instead, Berkshire Hathaway stocks. And a Berkshire Hathaway stocks is around $100,000 and we don't have that para maka-invest kayo. So, mahirap yan. $1 million and $100,000. So, this is the best option to invest in with Warren Buffett. Right? So, still on the good side, maganda pa rin yan. Richard Alan J. Bulisay, good morning, sir. Lloyd, pasilip po si SSI, M1, CPG, and Costco. Time check, it's 8:58. So, I'll go through this and then we'll go to my recommendations after. Okay? Let me go full screen. Pasilip si SSI. Si SSI, after breaking the MA20, may magandang bounce si SSI. I already recommended SSI here. So, this is a good pullback. This is a good bounce, right? So, yeah, I think this is already a good buy for SSI. I am not fond of uptrends right now, but this is a good trend we are looking at right now. We have a higher high. This is the previous high. So, meron tayong higher high and higher low. SSI is already a bounce. The reason why I did not recommend SSI is because I don't like uptrends right now. So, medyo mahirap. Gusto ko po mag-bottom pick. That's why I recommended SSI here. But this is nonetheless very good already for SSI. That's a buy, right? Meron pa tayong secondary support. If it goes back down to support, you just buy more. Okay? For SSI, M-Wide, good company. After a strong bounce, nag-pull back si M-Wide. Let's see if it will confirm a support soon. Nag-abang ako ng support kay M-Wide. The reason why I did not recommend it yesterday was because most probably it's gonna do pull back yesterday. So, it did do a pullback. Ayun. Hinihintay natin ngayon is a bounce because this is an engulfing pattern. So, a bounce right here will be a very good sign for M-Wide, and I'm going to be recommending M-Wide to test buy if ever mag-green yan today. At the end of this day, if ever green yan, you can do test buy kay M-Wide. Josh D. Sir, may upload ba yung webinar ni Ma'am RB sa YouTube? Hindi po, it's gonna be exclusive for those who are gonna be registering. So, hopefully soon we can upload it in YouTube. But, as much as possible, you have to register po kasi. So, through registration po yan. There will be a private group for this session. And then, sinong naka-join lang sa private group na yon, yun lang ang makakapanood ng, makakapanood ng webinar. But, registration is basically for free. There are just a few instructions for you to do para maka-join kayo. So, it's gonna be recorded and it's gonna be private on the Facebook group. We're gonna be thinking to make it public soon, but actually it's already public. It's already for free. It's just that kailangan nilang mag-register in exchange for it para win-win naman tayo. Right, Paul Mark Celeste, hi sir, good day. Tech po ba pwedeng pang long term? I cannot recommend tech for long term. No, I cannot recommend tech for long term. But nonetheless, it's a good company. So it's a good trading kung maganda itong company ito kung ito-trade natin. So we are starting to reach and create a support. Pag nag-green yan soon, it's gonna be a trading stock. So cut loss is necessary for this. I don't recommend tech for long term. CPG, si CPG na-recommend ko. It's 901, so I'm just gonna finish the request. Recommended CPG dito. Sabi ko sa inyo, bodegahin nyo. And nakalipad na si CPG. It's really hard to catch it right now. So, as much as possible, at least MA20, malapit na sa MA20. Kung gusto nyo pa pong maghabol, at least low risk tayo. But I love this company. I've been recommending this for quite a while. Congratulations sa mga pumasok. Costco. Lastly, si Costco before we go to my picks. Right, si Costco. Divergence to let's buy Costco here at the support. So, it's on a sideways trend. Ito yung pinaka-sideways niya ngayon. So, it's on a sideways trend. Malapit na siya resistance. So, it's not a buy for me. Hopefully, it goes back down near support and then that's where we go in for Costco. Alright, so I'll go to my picks now. Let me post my picks for today. 4 lang naman ito for today. Right, so let me post it in the comments. Right, number 1 is FPH. FPH, Web, CLI, and ABG. So, paborito ko dito ngayon si CLI. So, if Top 1 pick ko, CLI, is in a good support right now. Pero may update po si CLI. Very good news. I'm telling you how good real estate in Cebu is right now. And CLI is taking the sowing the results for reaping the results for that, right? CLI reports brisk sales of its Metro Cebu condo. One of the best condo right now. It's in a very strategic location. 80% is sold. 4 towers po ito. 80% is sold in less than a month. That's how strong CLI's projects are. Right? In a month, 80% of a 5.3 billion project is already sold. Very, very good company right now. And with this news, I think CLI should go up today. So hopefully, hindi siya mag-gap up. I'm recommending CLI for today. Next is FPH. Next, paborito ko si Web. Right, Web has been increasing their gains and been slowly recovering already. We are on a good support levels and we just had a bounce yesterday. So I think this is already good. Actually, kung pwede, bodegahin nyo yan si Web. I've been recommending Web for long term since dito pa around this level. So sabi ko sa inyo, just buy some. If it goes further down since nagre-recover na sila, then it should recover soon. Bumaba siya since the market was bearish, but I recommended buying more and average down. And then there it is, lumipad. Bumalik na naman sa support and it's time to buy again. I will recommend na ibodega niyan si Web. Next is FPH. Right. First Philippine Holdings Corporation, we have good spikes at this support and we just bounce and confirm that support again. So hopefully we can go back to support and try to bargain at the support. Hindi pa naman siya lumilipad. But this is a good volume nonetheless. This is good volume and good position already for FPH since we have a support at this area. And that's a buy already for me, si FPH. And then CLI. ABG. Lastly, si ABG. Sa recommendations ko. ABG. Ayan. So, ABG, we have 3 volume spikes already for ABG on this support. Right? Again, I want to show you if there is no change in price. This is what's happening with ABG right now. If there's no change in price, the volume is increasing. That's a bullish signal since it's signs of accumulation. And there's signs of accumulation right now. Nag-green siya yesterday with good volume spike. So, yeah, we can test out ABG right here. Number 2 reason why I am recommending it, massive support right there for ABG. Pasukin nyo na po yan. Right? Sayang po, right? There's something wrong with your trading technical analysis if you don't enter this. I'm not hyping this. It's just that it's very low risk. If ever mali tayo, you can always cut loss at a very minimal loss. That's why I'm confident in recommending this. Pero sayang naman po yung possession and very good signal. Supports, divergence on these supports, volume, what else can you ask for? Diba? So yan po. Last ko nasabihin kay BPI But I'm confident with this position. Hopefully, I'm right. If wrong, at least I recommended it at a very low risk. And it's your responsibility to cut your losses if ever mali tayo. Hopefully, tama tayo. Okay? Sayang po. Now, I'm gonna go back to the comments of everyone. Right? Patuloy po natin. Time check, it's 9:06. So, thank you so much for still being here. I hope marami po yung natututunan sa videos po natin. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the video. Please share it to your Facebook groups and Facebook walls and your trading groups and Facebook para naman po ang mga newbies malaman nila there's a program like this that can help them in return. Okay? And if you create an eToro account, please make sure you click on my link and you register. Malaking tulong po yan sa channel. Right? Laking tulong po niyan so that we can continue this program daily and we can provide free seminars like the seminar in November 10 and 11 for you guys. Alright. Sir, yan. Paul Mark Celeste. Right. Paul Mark Celeste. Tech po ba? Ay, nabasa na natin yan. Sniffer 05. Sir, ask ko lang, need ba stop copying and recopy ulit kasi na halata ko di na nag-auto-copy sa mga new trades niya after mag-close niya yung existing trades sa eToro. Need ba i-check ang copy open trades? I don't know what's wrong. Most probably, napakaliit lang ng pera na linalagay mo. Usually kasi, it has to be minimum this is the reason why I recommend around 50, all right, 50 to $500 to $1,000 when you copy trade, right? Kasi baka yung positions na inopen niya test buy lang at napakaliit, and if you're just using $200, sobrang liit na po ng kokopyahin ninyo, na meron kasi minimum position size si eToro. So there may be positions that you won't be able to copy if masyadong maliit yung inopen niya and it doesn't meet the minimum requirements. That's why hindi mo na kopya. That's why recommend medyo mataas-taas na pera, $500 to $1,000 ang kopyahin niyo po. Okay? Emir Cristobal, good morning, Sir Lloyd. I'm just amazed by your passion. I would like to ask where you get it. I don't know. Passion plus, I don't know. This just makes me happy. Seeing people rise from sa kahirapan, right? It's really fulfilling to help people who really want to help themselves. Kasi po galing ako sa hirap, right? And I don't want to see people go through that, right? And that's why I want to help them. Gaano po kahirap, if you ask me, I was a delivery boy when I was a nursing student. And pinapaaral po ako ng lola ko as a nursing student before. And at the same time, while I was a nursing student, nagde-deliver po ako ng tubig. And napakapayat ko pa noon. And alam niyo po yung mga 5 gallons, nakikita niyo sa mga mineral water linalagay niyo sa bahay niyo. Nagde-deliver po ako niyan. So what I do when I was a nursing student was, I go to school na meron akong delivery truck. Delivery truck ang dala ko papasok sa school. And then on my breaks tinatanggal ko po yung nursing uniform ko, tapos nagbibihis ako ng pang-deliver ko na damit, and then deliver on my breaks, then balik na naman sa school, and then put back my nursing uniform, and then go to school again. So ganun po kahirap, pamilya. And I don't want people to experience that as much as possible. I don't want your kids to experience that. That's why I really want to help people around me, right? For this. So, yan po. I think that's where my passion comes from since laki ko sa hirap. Okay? Emir Cristobal, good morning, Sir Lloyd. I'm just amazed. Ayun, nabasa ko na pala yun. Joan Cornejo, may naging sentimental tuloy tayo. Joan Cornejo, good morning. Arsit Vinci Echevarria, good morning, sir. Newbie po ako and willing to learn from more. Kailan ka po magpunta dito sa Dubai for training? Thank you. Alright, so we're planning to go back to Dubai next year po. Hopefully February, pinakamatagal po. Right? I cannot promise, but we're planning to go there sana. Kasi may event dyan sa Dubai, diba? The Dubai Expo, and we want to experience it as much as possible also. So yeah, we're planning one for February. Sean Salamidas, good morning, Sir Lloyd, good morning. Then Jeff Trajano, kung isa lang po ba ang kinopi na trader, isang stock lang ang makopy sa eToro? No, kung ilang stocks ang binibili ni trader, for example, you copy me. In my portfolio, I have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, let's say 10 stocks. So, yung etong 10 po ang makukopya ninyo as long as your funds can meet the minimum. I recommend starting with $500 if you wanna copy. Minimum is 200, but the problem with 200 is baka may mga positions kayo na hindi ma-open kasi it doesn't reach the requirements. For example, bumili ako na napaka-konti lang na Amazon, and let's say napaka-konti lang, meaning I buy around $200 of Amazon or $50 worth of Amazon. That is 0.5% of my port. So in your port, if you're only using $200, ang 0.5 po ng $200 is very small, and hindi na siya makamit na minimum position size. So hindi niyo po makakopya yan. That's why mas maganda po if medyo malaki-laki. Mr. M, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pasilip po kay Tech. Salamat. Let's go for Tech. Tech, antay tayo ng green. If this goes green, at the end of the day, you buy it, test buy lang, okay? This is a trading stock, meaning you have to plan your exits as much as possible. Anilin is C, long-term stock. Yes, I can recommend C. Very confident with the business position right now ni Mr. Dennis Uy. C is good for long-term also, together with Dito and Udena. Hopefully mag-IPO din si Udena. Pili ka lang either sa kanila. So, either C or Udena or Dito. Right? I am into Dito right now, which is ISM. So, third telco po napasukan ko. Right? But C is also a very good company. Very strategic. And ang dami pong ginagawa ni C rin ngayon for the future. So, definitely good for long term. Sean Salomides, good morning. Sir Lloyd, good morning them. Jeff Trajano, kung isa lang po ba ang kinopy na trader, ay, nabasa na natin yan. Mr. M, Annalyn, C, long-term stock, yan. Joe F. Alfonso, maraming salamat po. You're welcome po. Praiseline Rentuza, good morning, sir. Ask ko lang if goodbye ba for you si Metrobank kasi may 13% siya na dividend. Thank you for your insight. For those who are planning to go mid to long term for Metrobank, this is a very good opportunity to buy Metrobank habang mura pa siya. So yes, I can recommend that. Oliver de Guzman, sir, IDC and CPG po. Si IDC may maganda rin may maganda news si IDC. They're projecting very good investment. They're planning good investment sizes for next year. So yeah, IDC medyo pababa ang spaghetti natin. Let's see it. Let's see if we can meet IDC at the support. At the very least, doon natin subukan si IDC. Si CPG, we're recommending that for quite a while already. Right now, medyo nakalipad din si CPG. Hopefully, you can get in your MA20 for a good position. Hi, Lloyd. Good morning. Shout out to happy birthday to LJ Feliciano. Hi, LJ Feliciano. Is this your daughter? Lan Feliciano? Right, so FB and URC. Si FB recommended it in support. Sa support ko po na-recommend si FB. So, dapat napasok nyo ito. Nakalipad na si FB. That's why I haven't been recommending it anymore since lumilipad na siya. So, congratulations sa mga pumasok kay FB. Noon, si URC naman, mukhang may magandang galaw in the future si URC. I failed to negative 3. Ang alam ko, positive yun sa URC. Did not really watch the news. So, right now, medyo bearish ang signal ni URC. So, let's see in the future if it will do a double bottom. For now, wag muna. Okay? Thank you for bringing this up. Richard Allen, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pasilip, Starbucks, McDo, Tencent, at Xiaomi. Si Tencent, mukhang lalakas si Tencent dahil sa bagong game na i-release nila Right, so, Starbucks, I am holding Starbucks, so medyo nag-support na siya This is looking well. Let's see if we have divergence. Yes, good divergence signals for Starbucks. This is a buy for me, right? This is a support. I'd say this is a buy for Starbucks. Pwede nyo pong bilhin yan. Especially pag lumabas yung earnings nito. I think Starbucks is still doing well. Wala namang problema sa earnings ni Starbucks. Plus the earnings, they should gap up. So dapat pasukin nyo rin po yan si Starbucks. McDonald's Corporation, pababa pa si McDo. Earnings niya, 5% lang. So it's underwhelming earnings. Hindi naman gano'ng kalaki yan. Kaya bumagsak si McDo. Soon. Right now, there's no buy signal for McDo, so stay away from it. Next kay McDo, sa request nyo po, is si Tencent. 700 pala si Tencent. Right, so Hong Kong. Right, so Tencent, mukhang may magandang movement si Tencent in the future. It's now at support. This is good for Tencent. Right? Kaso nga lang ito, bearish signal. So, this is called a descending triangle. Alright? A signal for us na para paalam sa atin na tapos na yung bearish signal niya is a breakout from this descending triangle. So, a breakout from this would be a good entry point for Tencent. So, here's the steep triangle right now. So, it's a mix of bullish, hindi gaanong bullish, mas malakas yung bearish kasi since pababa yung signals niya. Right? So, a breakout from this, I think this is, you can go aggressive on this already. Buy the support for me. And then, the earnings should help it go up. But a breakout from this is gonna be good. Twitter platform suffers tech glitches, hitting revenue tumble. Kanox sales side. So, wala naman. So, a breakout from this is the best signal for us. For those conservative ones, since Hong Kong is in facing recession. So, anyways, this is gaming naman. It's not really affected by Hong Kong's recession since global naman yung market nila, hindi naman sa Hong Kong tourism. Yung mga tourism industry ng Hong Kong talaga ang bumagsak So, this is still well, right? Best lang if we can get a breakout from this, right? Tencent, Xiaomi. Ito si Xiaomi, umaakyat. Si Xiaomi Corporation. Right, I'll read more about Xiaomi, okay? I don't want to be reckless in my recommendation for this. Um, I can't comment on Xiaomi yet, right? I'll read more about Xiaomi before I can comment on this. Jeff Trajano, Sir Lloyd, pag isang trader na kinopy isang stock din ba ang matatrade mo, paano kung gusto mong tanggalin sa trader yung pera? Pwede ba yun? Yes, you can. Right? For example, let's go to my virtual portfolio. Time check, it's 9:17. Let's go to my virtual portfolio. For example, I copy Omar. Ito, isa sa may recommend ko si Omar Etsa. For example, I copy Omar Etsa. Let's check out the statistics of Omar Etsa. I told you, from the start of October, gumawa ako ng video na the best traders to copy for October. So, if you copied Omar, you should be already up 4.28%. Sayang if hindi nyo kinopya. May video ako about dyan, di ba? The best, that was at the end of the September. I told you who are the best people to copy for October. I recommended Omar Etsa and you should be up already on your port. So, congratulations sa nag-follow ng video na yon. So, if I copy Omar Etsa, let's say I put in $1,000 with him and copy open trades and then click on copy, then right, so Omar Etsa should be in my port already. Right, so nag-negative ka agad ako. Anyways, that's okay since these are the charges, negative 0.13. That's enough charge. That's okay na charges for my positions. So now, if I wanna lessen, for example, gusto ko munang $500 kasi gusto ko i-trade yung other 500. So you can click on remove funds and then click on 500 and then so $500 then I update it. Update. So meaning i-remove niya ang $500. So if I refresh this in my portfolio, isa-sell niya muna yung positions but this should go back down to 500 and then 500 mababalik sa akin once the positions are closed. Okay? So, ganun po. Ayun, value is 499 na lang. So, na-remove na yung funds, nalagay na yan sa akin and then I can use the funds then to invest in others. So, pwede pong ganun. Or if you want to stop copying right here, stop copying, then stop copying, matatanggal po lahat ng pera and then ibabalik po yan sa money ninyo. Okay? Next is Erickson, Lodi, ISM po, salamat. Medyo nakalipad na sa ISM but overall still good to buy at 5. So mga gusto magbodega kay ISM, still at a good price. Alvin Galvez, good morning Sir Lloyd. Macdo, sir, ano pong insights ninyo? Medyo downtrend pa po eh. Sir sis Eli po, what happened yesterday? Si Eli, nga pala si Eli. Laki ng panalo ni Eli yesterday. So, ayun, actually, wala. May magandang volume eh. I don't know what happened to Eli yesterday. Napaglaruan siguro ng mga traders, ng mga chupetero, at may mga inipit na naman na napakarami. So, we'll wait for Eli. Let's say if it will do a pullback and bounce. And then, that's where we try to trade Eli if ever. So, I'm not sure why. Baka may mga insiders alam dyan. Wala tayong insiders eh. So, pasensya na. Morning, Sir Lloyd. MRC Vita, please. MRC, this is from Robert Castle-Tort. Sir says, ohayo gozaimasu. Asan yun? MRC. MRC, ang ganda ng support ni MRC. Right? Yeah, you can test out the support of MRC. This is long-term support for MRC. Nga lang walang volume kay MRC since that's the market for you. So, yeah, test out the support for MRC. Hopefully, it will go up. Si Vita naman, medyo nag-breakout na si Vita yesterday. So, yeah, may magandang signs for Vita if you wanna get in Vita. This is a good entry point for Vita. Actually, nag-breakout siya tapos bumalik. Right? A breakout from this will be a good entry pag nag-confirm siya ng breakout. And then that will be our support, yung previous resistance for Vita. Quantum Leap, may buntag Sir Lloyd, pasilip naman si Intel at PayPal. And pa-advise naman po kung pwede ibenta ko na ba. Salamat, Coach. More power to your channel. God bless po. Si PayPal, bumagsak eh. Right, PayPal. Right, PayPal Holdings. Right, big drop for PayPal. Ay, hindi. Nag-recover pala yesterday. After the earnings report, recover kagad si PayPal. Right? So, this is good. If pumasok kayo dun sa baba and you gained, how much is this gain? This is 8%. So, yeah, you can sell half of this. Sell half lang. Most probably, this is gonna be a good start for PayPal. Mag-uptrend po yan. Sayang hindi natin nahuli. Good job if nahuli nyo po yan. Right, pwede nyo ibenta yan. Salamat po, more power to your channel. This is PayPal and yeah, you can sell half of it. Paano mag-register sa webinar, sir? Just go to the page and meron po link doon. Once you click on the link, andun po yung instructions on how to register. Bell po, sir. Bell. Alright, so Bell naman. Alright, sir. Architect Chief. Sir Lloyd, mag-seminar naman tayo sa Singapore. Hope you can seminar here in Singapore maybe next year. Definitely, yung mga hindi pa natin napupuntahan this year, puntahan natin next year, right? We'll plan ahead for that, right? We're gonna plan our 2020. It's gonna be a very good, it's gonna be a very good year. Yes, Bell. Wait, Divergence. I think this is a good support already. Hey, you can check out Bell, right? Makaganda nito, very low risk. So if ever mali tayo, maliit lang naman ang cut loss natin since low risk pa siya. But divergent signals, I think this is a good signal for Bell already. Next is Jason Yabao, Sir Lloyd from South Korea. Sir Lloyd, paano po ba oras ang open and close ang market sa eToro? It depends on what market you want to trade. If you want to trade the international market, 9:30 p.m. po dito sa Pilipinas, you just go to eToro and then go for, what do you call this? Check on guide. Click on guide dito sa lower left. And once you click on guide, ayaw mag-load ng guide ko. No, not this one. Go to help pala, help. Right, help and then market ARSN fees. Automatic po ito, naka-adjust to where you are located. So if you wanna trade on stocks, makikita po dyan ang oras, right? So exchange market opens for Euro, for Hong Kong, makikita nyo po dyan. Philippine time po ito nakalagay dito. For example, US stocks from Monday is 21:30. That's 9:30 in the evening dito. Okay, so Saturday merong iba. For Saturdays, right? For US stocks dito. Makikita niyo po dyan on your local time. KPPI po, sir. Yan, tingnan natin. Mark, salamat, Sir Lloyd, sa knowledge na binahabahagi niyo araw-araw. Yeah, hopefully we can do a seminar here sa Singapore. Morning, sir, pero meron lecture about sa triangle patterns. What's the difference po ng stop copying from remove funds? Remove funds is tatanggalan niyo lang po. Stop copying is you entirely remove the full amount right away. Okay, KPPI, may request KPPI, bilisan natin, it's 9:25. 9:25 already. So, last 2 lang, right? So, KPPI, head and shoulders, ang pinapakita na KPPI, very tricky. Yeah, eto support na ito, as long as may bounce yan, that will be a buy signal for KPPI, kung may green dyan, okay? That's for KPPI. Mark Adriano, you're welcome. Sa binabahagi mong knowledge araw-araw. Thank you so much. Alright, San Solombida, Sir Lloyd, may disclosures now. Will it do breakout? Now, may disclosures now. Ano ba disclosure ni now? Bakit? Pullback. This is to be expected a pullback. This is the breakout before. This is where you buy it. May magandang disclosure, then that's good. Then that will be a good entry point for you kung gusto niyo po i-trade si now. Use a breakout strategy. For that, this is your support for now. Di na natin matingnan, tingnan natin. 21 minutes ago. Ayaw mag-click. Tagal mag-click. Right, so hopefully we can read it. Now, corporation entered the memorandum MOA with SK Telecom for 5G collaboration. So this should be good for now, right? I think this is gonna go up for now. Yeah, check out now today. Pwede nyo po i-trade yan with this catalyst and then just make sure you have an exit plan, okay? Pasensya na if hindi ko mababasa lahat. Do you have a blockchain wallet with eToro? Yes. Sir Lloyd, good morning. May earnings report po sa MBT ngayon lang. Alright, that's good. Tingnan natin if maganda. But nonetheless, MBT is a very good company. Alright, that's it for today. It's a Friday. So, konting ingat po sa trade. Hindi ko na po mabasa lahat. Pasensya na po. Konting ingat sa trades since it's a Friday, baka mag-profit taking and still we're at the resistances of PSEi. So, konting ingat, right? As much as possible, let's do bottom picks. Yun po muna i-master ninyo na skill. Hangganap po kayo ng stocks na maganda na nasa doon pa sa baba and learn the patience and everything you need to learn from bottom picking before you go to momentum trading or uptrend trend trading. Once the market is already bullish, trend trading should be very good already. But right now, since the market is shaky, position trading po ang pinakamaganda. And how to position, yun po tinuturo ko sa inyo lagi. Bodega, magbodega po muna. I have a video about that. What do I mean by bodega strategy and how to do it. See you again. Tomorrow, we're gonna have a live session for all the available at pinakamagandang passive income opportunity here in the Philippines. And hopefully, abangan po ninyo and share it to your friends para naman po ma-invite natin sila into investing. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. As always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.